Hey, Alan here. I'm going to show you how I replace the remote battery in the remote from my 2008 Honda Accord. To start off with, the battery type is a CR1616. It's kind of a hard battery to find. Radio Shack has it for about $6 a piece. I bought a 5-pack on Amazon for $7.99 or so, which was a much better deal per battery. So to change the battery, first thing you have to do is remove a small Phillips head screw right here. I'm using a number 0 Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so there's a screw. Once I have the screw out, I have to just pull the lid off. You can use a prying tool to get in here if it's stuck, but in most cases it'll just pop right off like that. Next is to pop out the actual remote unit itself out of the key holder. There's a lid on this remote unit that's held on with 2 clips, one on this side and one on this side. So to get this off, all you need to do is just pry back with your fingernail on one side and it comes right apart. So here's the battery. To remove the battery from the case, you just need to pry under it with something like a screwdriver or a dull knife, and it pops right out like that. I'm going to go ahead and put my new battery in. You can see the battery's marked positive on one side, and the case has a positive sign on one side. So I just have to make sure I flip the battery over and put it in like that. In order to put it in, I just push against the connector and it pops right into place. Now I'm going to put my cover back on. I get the one side started and I just flip it over and pop them both into place like that. And I put the transmitter back in the key, and I'll take my cover. What I do is I hook this side first, and it just falls right back into place. I go ahead and put the screw back in. And that's it, good as new. That's how you change the battery on your Honda remote. Thanks for watching my video.